Welcome to Star Snip Gossip. Today we are bringing you a major update involving rapper Mystikal. On June 16, 2026, Mystikal was sentenced to 20 years in prison in connection with a Louisiana rape case that dates back to 2022. The sentencing comes after years of legal battles, court hearings, public speculation, and intense media coverage surrounding the case. For those who may not have followed the story from the beginning, Mystikal, whose real name is Michael Tyler, was arrested in 2022 after a woman accused him of sexually assaulting her at a residence in Louisiana. Prosecutors alleged that the woman was assaulted after arriving at the home and that she was prevented from leaving during the incident. Investigators later gathered evidence and pursued serious criminal charges against the rapper. The allegations immediately generated widespread attention online. Many people discussed the claims across social media platforms, while others waited for the court process to play out before reaching conclusions. Over the years, numerous rumors circulated online regarding evidence, possible witnesses, and potential outcomes, but much of that speculation remained unconfirmed until official court proceedings moved forward. Originally, Mystikal faced a first-degree rape charge, one of the most serious sexual offense charges under Louisiana law. However, prosecutors and defense attorneys later reached a plea agreement. Under that agreement, Mystikal pleaded guilty to a reduced charge of third-degree rape. The plea deal became a major talking point. Some observers felt the reduced charge was significant, while others focused on the fact that a guilty plea had been entered. The case continued toward sentencing, where the court would determine the punishment. In the days leading up to sentencing, there was another dramatic development. Mystikal reportedly attempted to withdraw his guilty plea. His legal team argued that he wanted to challenge the plea agreement and move forward differently. However, the court ultimately rejected those efforts and proceeded with sentencing. During the sentencing hearing, emotional statements were reportedly presented. The victim requested the maximum sentence available under the law. Prosecutors argued that a lengthy prison term was appropriate given the circumstances of the case and the seriousness of the offense. The judge ultimately handed down a 20-year prison sentence. The decision immediately sparked reactions online, with many people expressing shock at the length of the sentence while others argued that it reflected the seriousness of the crime. The case has also attracted additional attention because of Mystikal's previous legal troubles over the years. As a result, many discussions online have focused not only on this specific case but also on his broader history with the legal system. Since the sentencing was announced, reactions have been pouring in from fans, critics, bloggers, hip-hop commentators, and entertainment news outlets. Some fans expressed disappointment and sadness over the outcome, while others said they believed justice had been served. The news quickly spread across celebrity news pages, hip-hop communities, and social media platforms. At the moment, many people are watching to see whether there will be further legal action, including potential appeals or other court filings from the defense. Legal experts say post-sentencing motions are not unusual in high-profile cases, so this story may continue to develop in the coming weeks and months. For now, the biggest headline remains the same. After years of investigations, court proceedings, allegations, public debate, and legal maneuvering, rapper Mystikal has officially been sentenced to 20 years in prison in a case that has become one of the most talked about celebrity legal stories of the year.